Hi, Lake Central. My name's Grant Bradkey.
And I'm Mark Kimber, and this year Indiana Insights for October 27, 2014.
Just a reminder, only students with green and yellow permits should be parking in the faculty lot behind the building.
All art club students should drop off the art club dues ASAP to Mrs. Yeager and C228. Also make sure to get your can for the next art club meeting, which will be today. Report to C228 at 2:20 and plan to stay until 3:30 to participate in a Halloween activity.
German 4 and French 4 students travel to Watson Elementary to teach kids and promote their languages. Let's check it out.
My name is Frau Iwima. I teach German here. I'm one of the German teachers here at Lake Central. And today we are over at Watson Elementary in first grade Mrs. Exton's class. We are here with Madame Tilka, the French class. This is German 4 and French 4 combined. And we are here spreading our love of the German language and the French language to little kids. We are doing this to try and promote other languages other than Spanish. Spanish, we love you, but German and French need some love too. So we are going and spreading our love of the language and trying to have little kids at least get exposed to another language at an early age, especially since unfortunately we don't have language being taught at the elementary or middle school anymore.
We went to Watson and we stayed there for the second half of our regular period and all of Matrix, and we taught them the alphabet, how to spell their name in German, all the German colors and the German numbers. It was fun and a lot of them picked up really quickly.
I had to learn the colors in German, like red is rot, schwarz is black, and yellow is red.
Auf Wiedersehen!
Sehr gut!
Whatever that means. The next NT meeting will be today at the school in the LGI. For any member interested in helping with winter formal, we will hold a separate meeting on Tuesday, November 4th at the school in C114.
Wrestling. Raffle tickets are available from Coach Alb and C236 for a chance to win a sound bar. Tickets are $1 for one and $5 for six.
The Lilly Scholarship is now open for senior students. This scholarship provides full tuition to any Indiana college or university. Visit the guidance blog for information on applying.
DFS members are selling Carson's Community Days coupon booklets for $5 each that can be used for the upcoming sale on November 15th and 16th. Anyone interested in purchasing booklets can ask a DFS member or Ms. Klein in the guidance office.
Seniors, please check this name spelling on your RDS account. That is the exact spelling that will appear on your diploma. Contact Mrs. Brum in the office with any changes.
Visit Amarillo Roadhouse on Monday, November 3rd from 4 to 9 p.m. Pick up a flyer in C230 or print it from the Twitter account. Take the flyer to Amarillo and 15% of your bill will be donated to Interact Food Drive.
The November 1st application deadline for some scholarship consideration is quickly approaching. Please make sure you go through Naviance and request transcripts ASAP.
If you are applying to any Common App schools, you must match the school on Naviance with Common App and on your Common App account. If you do not match on both, guidance cannot send your information.
Please remember that we do not have school from October 30th to November 2nd. Please complete necessary tasks so counselors and office staff have time to process your documents. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Burita in the Registrar's office, T105.
The Future Medical Professionals meeting was yesterday in C218 at 2:15. Dues and consent forms were due at the meeting.
Hey Grant, have you heard about the Carrot the Coins?
Yes, I have, but I don't know anything about them.
Brandon Long and Tony Dodd caught up with Mrs. Schilling to learn more about them. Let's check it out.
Good.
Hey, Brum, got a pen?
That's Mrs. Brum.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For respect.
Just walking out. I wonder what this is. Character. Does Elsie have a casino?
Well, Character Coins is a reward system to promote positive moral behavior at school. Well, LC is a big school, and we know that students and faculty are very focused on academics here, which is wonderful. However, we also know that to be successful in the real world after high school, you need to have a good sense of moral responsibility. So this particular program is designed to promote good moral character and also to reward that character so that when students leave here, not only do they have a good intellectual basis, but they also know how to be good citizens in our country. Well, at the end of each month, we're going to collect all the names of the students who were given character coins, and then we're going to choose a number of students, and we're going to pick their names out of a raffle, and those students chosen are going to get certain prizes. Well, we have some exciting ones, but we want it to be a surprise for everyone, so you'll have to earn one of these to find out. October's theme is respect, and next month's theme is generosity. All faculty and staff have a collection of coins in their possession, and when they see a student showing or exhibiting exceptional behavior like exceptional respect, kindness, compassion, and generosity, the teacher will give a coin to that student and will write his or her name down and keep a running tab of those students who show that.
Next month's theme is generosity. Show some generosity and earn a chance to win prizes.
Does working in the field of marine biology interest you? Then you need to see Mr. Brody in C328 ASAP for information on this summer's marine biology class. The parent meeting will be today in the Freshman Center LGI room, and an adult representative is required to attend.
Representatives from the following institutions of higher learning will be visiting Lake Central. On October 29th, Washington University in St. Louis. November 6th, Manchester University. November 11th, Indiana University Northwest for a lunch visit. St. Joseph's College for a lunch visit. Unless otherwise indicated, interested students should report to the guidance office immediately after school.
Well, this wraps it up for Indiana Insights today. I'm Art Kimber.
And I'm Grant Bradkey. Have a great day, Lake Central.
Let's hit it.